Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And yes, the market is open and we can see that gold is trading in a range. After the market opening, gold dropped, took support around 64-65 area. Market bounced and right now trading above 4,000. As we have discussed in a previous video also, that 4K or 4,000 is going to play a very crucial role, and we can see the market or gold is trying its best to survive, to stay above 4,000. So the level of 4,000 is acting like a magnet. Okay. Anyways, if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. It's a long video. We have discuss many things in detail. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So we will just be looking at the trading opportunities or new opportunities that have come up. But as you can clearly see, the market is choppy. And if you are a part of the Telegram community, the free group, then already I have uploaded. If you're not a part, feel free to join, because if anything crazy happens, you'll get an update on the group. In the morning, as I've already mentioned, that this market is going to be a little bit dangerous, because it is going to trap, it is going to trap not buyers or sellers, it's going to trap both buyers and sellers. I mean both, because when we see a market like this where we have a choppy market, then it is a little bit dangerous to trade. So it is better and safer for you to just stick to the levels. In fact, we have discussed on Saturday also. Right now, we do not have any clear trend here. As a result, as a day trader, it is better for you to stick to the levels for your own safety. If you're trading without stop loss, that's a different story. I'm not going there. But if you are, if you are a normal retail trader, just trying to make some money, then it's better to stick to the levels. So if you look at a daily chart, on a daily chart, still there is no change here. We can still see market. Overall the trend of the market is still up. As we all know, if market breaks this previous low here, then we can expect further downside. But as of now, we can see gold is trying its best to survive above 4,000. And if you look at a 15-minute chart, then we can see the trend of the market is choppy. Means if you're a day trader, you do not have a clear trend. So where are the trading opportunities then? So in the morning, I uploaded that if gold breaks this particular level, because in the morning after market opening, 4,009 was acting as a little bit of a resistance. We can see some liquidity sweep now. I was expecting the market to go up to take support and to enter at pullback, but market did not give us the opportunity. There was no pullback, rather there was liquidity sweep. After sweeping all the liquidity, we can see market is going down. That's why we did not discuss anything about the breakout trade. Now we can see market is going down. So right now it is not very clear whether gold will take support around 4,000 or not. But yes, if market drops today, we can look for a support around 3950, 3945. This particular low of the market is going to act as support. If market provides support, takes or gets support around this area, then only buy. Do not place buy positions blindly. Then we have a second opportunity around 3921, 3916, this particular low of the market. So these are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. Around 3961, 3965 market has already taken support. So I'm not going to discuss that. But during the day, if market drops, then these are the levels we can look for a buy position. If market takes support around 397571, then also we can look for a quick support. Keep in mind, this is not a major level. If you see there's not much volume in the market is taking support, then only go for a buy with small lot, because the levels that are in front of us are not very reliable levels. But still we are looking for some trades by following proper risk management. So 3950, 3945, then 3921, 3916 are the good levels where you can look for a buy. But if market remains slow, we can also look for a buy around 75, 71 as well. Keep in mind, this is a minor level, and right now we can see market is trading around 4,000 level or above 4,000 during the day. If you see market taking support around 4009 and pull back, you can enter. And if market goes up from here, okay, do we have any opportunities? Yes. If you are a high risk scalper, yes, if you are a high risk scalper, then you can look for a sell around 21 4021 4022. Personally, I'm not sure whether I'm going to take it or not, okay, because I'm not very convinced with the chart of gold right now. Okay, but if you are a scalper, if you see some selling opportunity at 2122, you can look for a sell, otherwise just avoid, because this is a market, okay, where retrading opportunities are risky. And if you are in a tight spot, not in a position to lose any money, then obviously this is not the right chart for you. What you can do is you can look for better opportunities, stable charts. For example, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, if dollars shoots up, you can look for a sell below this particular area. If market goes up, then you can expect the previous support to work as resistance. Okay, so these are some stable setups. Okay, obviously there are other setups also available. Okay, so if you are looking for some good opportunities, logical opportunities, then you should be looking for setups like this, not for gold. Suppose this is USD CAD. Okay, if USD CAD and takes support around 1.4 triple zero, this can be a good support. Or later on, when this particular resistance will become the new support, there you can buy. So what I'm trying to say is that, okay, simply for the sake of trading, okay, do not lose money because you have to trade on gold. Okay, gold, yes, gold, obviously we love gold, we have a soft corner for gold, but when the trading opportunities are not very reliable, okay, as a trader you need to understand it. Okay, anyways, okay, let's wait and watch how does the market move, okay, during the day. Market is choppy, so be careful, do not go for big lot sizes, and especially if you are a student not in a position to lose money right now, you have lost good amount of money last month or last week, then be careful. Okay, be a trader, not a gambler. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, forex broker, especially if you're from India, then yes, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage is a multi-regulated broker. Okay, Vantage doesn't require any introduction. Vantage is also the best option for your safety as well, safety of your funds. Because if you're trading with a big capital, you get insurance up to $1 million. If you are looking for more assurance, then it's also a member of the Financial Commission where you get compensation up to 20,000 euros. Okay, they have more than 5 million registered users, and especially if you're from India looking for a better option, okay, then after Xness, then yes, you can consider opening your account with Vantage. And if you open your account under our referral, through our referral, then you can also become a member of our premium WhatsApp community as well, where you get regular market updates, analysis, and many more things. So feel free to join Vantage, okay, for the best trading experience. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.